मैं रितिका आप सभी सम्मानित मित्रों का इंडियन लीगल यूट्यूब चैनल में हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। ऑल इंडिया बार एग्जामिनेशन प्रश्नोत्तर श्रृंखला में आपका स्वागत है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द स्पेशल कोर्ट इज आंसर नॉट सबऑर्डिनेट टू हाई कोर्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द पावर्स अंडर सेक्शन 159 ऑफ CRPC कैन बी एक्साइज्ड बाय अ मजिस्ट्रेट। आंसर when the police decides not to investigate the case. Question number 3, statement recorded during the investigation under section 161 can be used in trial. Answer, for contradicting the witness. Question number 4, power of taking cognizance of offence by a magistrate of first class and second class is provided. Answer, under section 190 of Criminal Procedure Code. Question number 5, additions and alteration of charges is provided in CRPC. Answer, under section 126. Question number 5, additions or alteration of charges is provided in CRPC. Answer, under section 216. Question number 6, which section of Specific Relief Act prohibits filing a case against the government? Answer, section 6. Question number 7, the Patent Act became in a law. Answer, 1970. Question number 8, check bouncing cases charged under section 138 of Negotiable Instruments Act is tried by. Answer, magistrate court. Question number 9, the provision of establishing Public Service Commission is made under. Answer, Article 315. Question number 10, the case Krishna Gopal versus the state of MP relates to. Answer, noise and air pollution. Question number 11, what is the punishment for advocates if the established finding of the Bar Council is misappropriation? Answer, impose a fine. Name of the advocate will be struck off from the roll. Suspension from practice. Question number 11, on being aggrieved by the order of State Bar Council, one can appeal to. Answer, Bar Council of India. Question number 12, which section of Advocate Act provides punishment for misconduct of advocates? Answer, section 35. Question number 14, section 24 of Advocate Act deals with. Answer, qualification of advocates who should be enrolled in the bar. Question number 15, under the Workmen Compensation Act, which is helpful in deciding the extent of injury for compensation? Answer, insurance certificate. Question number 16, section 23 of Workmen Compensation Act 1923 says that the commissioner shall have the power of. Answer, a court. Question number 17, the objective of Industrial Dispute Act 1947 is. Answer, industrial peace and economic justice, to create harmonious relation between employer and an employee, to prevent illegal strike and lockout, etc. Question number 18, section 2 clause Q of Industrial Dispute Act 1947 provides the definition of answer strike. The Land Acquisition Act came into force from answer 1st March 1894. Question number 20. Under the Land Acquisition Act, the arable land means answer useful of cultivation. Question number 21. Which one is not a fundamental right? Answer right of property. Question number 22. In Menka Gandhi case, it was observed that answer right to go abroad is within the ambit of Article 19, Clause 1, Clause A. But the confiscation of passport is not accordance to the law. Question number 23. Reasonable restriction can be imposed on the right of free movement. Answer in the interest of general public. Question number 24. Which of the following can claim Article 19 on of Constitution? Answer only citizens. Question number 25. Clause 3 of Article 20, Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution says that no accused person shall be compelled to be answer a witness against himself.